Yes, that's me again. um, before we close our meeting session, I'd like to hear more from our guests. So we have quite a few. So I would love to hear it from our first-time guest and our returning guest, I guess. So let's start with Neulfred, and then Hania, Raymond, Denise, and then to our guest evaluators, if that's okay. Just a few words of how you found this program.
All right. So, hello everyone. So, thank you so much for allowing me to talk. So, I've been with Toastmasters years back. I've been a Toastmaster with El Presidente. I visited BF community a couple of times prior pandemic, and I've always felt home in this organization, in this club. Uh, right now, I have more time since we cannot travel, and possible I can be a member. I'll just get in touch with President Patricia and Toastmaster Ed, because I really don't have any activities on weekends because I cannot go because of the pandemic. So yeah, I think I need to improve more on my public speaking because yeah, I'm getting rusty. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Noel. Hanya, would you like to share your thoughts? How was your
No,
experience here?
yes, the experience is very positive. As mentioned before, we are working together in a project, and I was very much surprised to see Patricia as a foreign person speaking very good English with the Americans, really. In Germany, we appreciate the very good English. Also, I'm foreign in Germany, and I need to improve my public speaking. I have some troubles because I'm speaking on the day, during the day, 3 languages at the same time. And, but I love the English language, and I need to practice. Patricia opened me this opportunity, was talking about the Toastmaker, which is the name?
Toastmaster. Toastmaster.
Toastmaster. And this is exactly what I'm looking. I'm not looking at a certificate. I'm looking evaluations. I'm looking to have the opportunity, and also what I should improve during the time. Because happens me when I'm talking, I forget completely the structure that I should follow. And I know that I have to focus in my intonation, but I'm concentrating what I'm saying. And I now have to link my conscience in what I'm saying, my natural thoughts, and also try to be kind with the public and to engage with the voice, with the attitude, and there are many factors around. And I guess this is a very nice opportunity to do it and call me the attention if I'm not wrong. All of you are also not English native speakers, and altogether, I guess you are doing perfectly. So I appreciate, I will join the group and let us the evolution of the time what will say us, but I'm positive. Thank you for this initiative, Patricia. Very good, I mean. Nice project.
Thank you, Hanya. Yes, to share a bit of background on how we met, I've been attending this webinar, and we have guests from Germany, London, Africa, Panama, Spain, all over the world. And what made me stood out there is because of my Toastmasters experience, that I'm not a native speaker like what Hania said, but because of me attending all the Toastmasters meeting and improving through the evaluations of everyone, this is how I got here. And practice, practice, practice. And so Hania, I think I'll talk to you. Will you join us here in BF community, even if you're from Germany?
Oh, it's
Yes?
great. Is here I don't know, I have not seen the opportunity to do something like this, and also especially with the price, because if you want to do something like this, it's going to be extremely expensive, and also you go to be evaluated with a note, a score, or with a certificate. But end of the day, we need this to practice. And this is another
Yes.
concept. Germany is a very industrial capital country, so difficult to find something like this. So I mean, and so I'm grateful that I have the opportunity to work with you in 18 hours flight from Germany to you, to Philippines. So we are so far away. It's great.
Yes.
But I love also is to analyze your mimic, to analyze your backgrounds, and to see other persons in front of me. So beautiful is, this is what I'm looking, nice week. I'm thinking out of the box.
Oh, thank you, Hania. I'm so happy. Okay, now for our next guest, Luane and Lauren or Denise, please jump in. Raymond, of how you find it. Just jump in and share what you want to share.
I'd like to, well, first and foremost, thank you for letting me join again in this session. I was really looking forward for this one because I want to improve more on how I do public speaking, especially again, as you know, we're in an online world now because of this quarantine. And I'm working on my application here and looking forward to more evaluations and meetings, and hopefully I can be a good speaker as well and learn how to lessen the germs whenever I do my speeches. So thank you.
Thank you, Denise. Yes. Okay. Who wants to jump in and want to share their experience with
Um,
Toastmasters?
per- Personally, this presented a topic that I could really sink my teeth into. Though now I'm self-criticizing my failures, and I never really noticed those when I'm the one speaking. But of course, it's nice to have other people mention those flaws so that I can work on them. It just so happens that sometimes I have a lot of thoughts, and I um, I have some trouble compartmentalizing them, even though I know what the words are. So it's a gradual process. Sometimes I really like to get the words out as fast as I can, but it's of course good to articulate them as well. And Boss Ed's speech with the sandwich and the symmetry of it with the beginning and the end, and making it a punchline. Wow, that's like a challenge accepted. I mean, not by him, but a challenge to myself. So again, it's refreshing. And again, I'm working on my membership. I just started the new job, but yeah, I'm too much failures already.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm glad.
You're
I'm glad to be
doing
here.
you are never think of yourself as someone failing. The fact that you're trying and you're here, that's already a win, Raymond. So we're happy that you're working on your application. We're here to assist you. Just message me or Christina and we'll be happy
Yeah.
to help you on that. Thank you, Raymond, and we want to
Thanks, Pat.
we welcome you. So how about Luane and Lauren, if you want to share your thoughts on how you found the program?
Hi, I'm Luane Sablan. I'm a former Toastmaster member, and I find this session very astonishing. It's very good, and it's good to be back. I really want to improve myself through your evaluations, and I'm looking forward to hear more of you all as well. And that's it.
Thank you. So, hi, I'm Lauren. I'm Luan's younger sister. I'm just 17 and I'm grade 11 right now. And I know that I can use this opportunity in school, which I am doing right now because I have online classes from Monday to Friday, and I know I can use this opportunity in class as well. So I'm very grateful that my mom keep on encouraging us to join this session, even though I feel so nervous during the session because I don't know if I can keep up with the topics, but I'm looking forward for new challenges. That's all.
We have a question for both of you. So, Luan, how old are you? Or Lauren?
I'm 22 years old. I'm
Wow.
17.
Wow. See, we have a very diverse group. Ages. That's what I love about online meetings. And how we're breaking barriers, no matter the age, no matter where we are, no matter where we're from, we're breaking the borders. And thank you for joining us. And it's going to be an interesting session every Saturday with all of you here. Last, if I may, I would like to um, uh, have some comments from our guest evaluator, which I'm very thankful for. You made this you made this session really, really fruitful, and we've learned so much from your experience. And I'm really a fan, AD Serena and Press Joyce. Thank you for gracing us with your time. And I know how busy you ladies are, but you made time for us today here at BF Community. And we hope you'll join us again. So I would like to hear some comments, just a little for BF Community before we end the session.
Joyce, you want to start?
Yes. Okay. For BF community, I commend you kasi you were very active. No? It's very lively. You are able to conduct the meeting in a very friendly manner. And for those who are thinking about joining Toastmasters, this is what I will say to you. Everyone is a beginner. Everyone has the same problems as what you are experiencing right now. We have the same issues, the same concerns. Are we good enough? Or can we talk really that well? Or I may not have that same intelligence or prowess or speaking ability, but lo and behold, here in Toastmasters with the Pathways program, you will be guided accordingly, according to your needs. There are customized learning paths that you can undertake, and I'm sure those pathways will be able to address each skill that you wanted harnessed. And as stressed by Area Director Charina, Toastmaster is the safest place to commit all those mistakes and rock the public speaking world. Congratulations, BF.
Thank you, Press Joyce, AD Serena.
Thank you for inviting us, AD Christina. Thank you for inviting me. It's nice to be back with BF. Joyce also will extend her invitation for you guys to club hop with Metro South Alabang. We meet every second and fourth Saturdays. Am I correct? Second and fourth, right?
Yes, AD Charina, can you sing it, please?
First and third.
Yeah, go sing it.
Yeah. October 10.
First,
October 10 is where we're going to host the evaluations contest. Headliners of tomorrow. Everyone is invited.
Okay, thank you, President Joyce, for that invitation. Shameless plug, is it all right, President Patricia? Is it all right? Okay,
Go
you know,
ahead.
I was thinking if I was going to accept the GE role for today, but I cannot say no to AD Christina because we work together as area directors. I have a training at 8 o'clock tonight. If you would want, it is a train the trainers talk. It's just about 1.5 hours just for you to get to know the basics of how it is to become a trainer. As most of you know, I run my own training consultancy company. So if you have time, please join me at 8 o'clock. I'll send you the link, President Patricia, and hopefully people from BF can also, if you're not doing anything, Neulfred, you said you're not doing anything, please come and join at 8 o'clock. It would be fun. Thank you, BF. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Zarina, please drop, I encourage you to drop the link now at our chat so that those who are in this meeting, Hania is interested to attend. I think others are interested to attend. So please drop the link. We're here to promote each other. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I will try to find.
Okay.
Try to find the link. Why can I not?
Sorry. There. You're on mute. Okay. So, AD Zarina will be looking for that link for those who are interested to attend. So before I end the session, a few announcements are on our ongoing membership and renewals. May I ask our VP for membership or for our treasurer to announce the rates of our membership, and then we'll convert to dollars because we have Hania who's interested and we need to AD Christina or Lois?
For the new members, we're asking for 3,850 pesos for 6 months. That's from October 2020 until March 2021. So that's for 6 months. So if we convert that, 3.8 is around $76. Around $76 for
$76 for 6 months.
For 6 months. That's for new members. But for the old members, for renewing members, we're only asking for 2,800 pesos, which is roughly $55 US dollars. So we're hoping that we'll be able to submit our payment before the end of September 30. Please contact our treasurer, VP Lois, or VP Lois will just be keeping in touch with all of you. Back to you, President Patricia.
Yes, and we'd like to announce that we are now open for credit card payments for those who would like to do it through online. And also, we also accept BDO transfers. So it'll be easier to pay the membership or the new. So I think that's it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to our guest evaluators for making this an enjoyable session. And to all our guests, whether from Germany, from Manila, Quezon City, may Quezon City ba? I don't know, Alabang, wherever we are. That's the thing about, picture taking. Yes, we'll do the picture taking. But without further, I forgot, but not further ado, but to end this session, I guess, I now call this meeting adjourned. Now, picture taking. So please turn on your cameras and smile. Hold on. Ready? Look at the camera, smile. Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for attending.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
It's
Amy
nice to
Sarina.
see you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
For those sending their payments, just send your receipts or a screenshot for the e-transfer.
I will assess Hania with membership. So
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Do
Thank
you
you.
have suggestion what kind of lamps you need for the light here? I guess, Sugar, you have lamps. Isn't it?
Yes, we have
Ring,
lamps.
ring
I
light.
do.
How about ring light?
White light? White light or what kind
Yes.
of light?
Ring light is
Okay.